gentlemen, as we proceed to give you what you need, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Cody, and today we are finally back for another sneaker unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a very, very long time, but that's because I haven't bought sneakers in a very, very long time. But today we have a pair that I have had my eye on for a while. This was a shoe when it originally came out I definitely wanted to grab, but one, I didn't get it, and then two, the resale market was just out of control. Kind of forgot about it, and then something inspired me to go check it again one day, and I looked at it and the price was manageable, so I was like, why not? We're gonna be talking about the Social Status Nike Dunk Mid Chocolate Milk. Dunks are really cool because Dunks, I feel like, have some of the best, they kind of were the trailblazers when it comes to like collaborations and stuff. And of course, Social Status did their thing with these. And immediately, as soon as I opened this thing, the packaging is amazing. So the whole thing was inspired by like free lunch when you were in school and stuff. And of course, like one of the highlights, look at this thing! Of course, the highlights of, lunch in school was the milk. So this whole thing looks like a milk carton. Yo, this is amazing. This is like one of the coolest boxes I've definitely ever seen. Yo, these things are amazing. They feel really cool. I never had a velvet shoe before. They look amazing on camera too. Look at these things. These things are so cool. I didn't know what I was expecting with this like material or whatever, but this straight up is a velvet sneaker. I can't wear these in the rain. I'm afraid to get them dirty. The blue hits so nice too. Look at that blue. And of course, like the mini swoosh in the front, that's amazing as well. That looks super cool. The tongue has like that ticket material for the lunch ticket. But nah, these are really cool. Oh, it comes with an extra set of laces. I think I'm gonna keep these rope laces in. I really like the texturing there. I don't know if you can tell from, oh yeah, you can. You can see how it's like kind of ribbed or whatever. That's a cool little extra detail. This is a very soft leather right here. Yeah, this is a very high quality made sneaker. One thing about Nike, they typically like go super hard with their collabs, like especially these big reputable brands that are within the community as well. So Social Status, even though this shoe's a couple years old, it really holds up. And it's a dunk mid too. You don't really see too many dunk mids. And I feel like this is a sneaker you can really like dress up or also dress down if you wanted to. I love these. These are really cool. I feel like these are like very much a sleeper pair. Like when they came out, they were like really hype, but now I feel like everybody kind of forgot about them. Like it was just one of those shoes that came out, came and went. But these are amazing. I love these. I do want to show you the paper. So the wrapping paper is reminiscent. Let me try it. Does that work? I guess that works. It's reminiscent of the, whatchamacallit, school lunch menu. Corn dog dunk, chalupa dunk, hamburger dunk. This is really cool. Oh my God, and even the bottom of the box has a lunch tray on it. The amount of details that went into this is really what sold me on it. Of course, like the story is super cool because it brings you like back in time or whatever, but also at the same time, just the level of detail and like care they put into every bit of this sneaker is super cool. Like they don't do this for every sneaker. They don't go out of their way to make it something really cool and super special. And I think that's what the big selling point for me was. And I don't have a sneaker this color either, so it fits in the wardrobe. And I can really do a lot of things with this. Oh, and also at the same time, they came with this little coin pouch, because when like you're going through the lunch line, you would keep like your quarters or whatever in like something like this. And then you could buy your lunch. I might keep it in the pack for now. I don't know where I would put it. I could put it on my backpack, I guess, but I would have to get a little hang tag for it. But yeah, no, that's really cool. Again, the amount of details is really what got me. Heck yeah, look at that thing. These are really comfortable. It comes like right over my ankle. So I was worried that it was gonna like be like mid ankle, but it comes right here over the top of my ankle. So it feels really nice, super comfortable, kind of tighter than normal shoes, I would say. They feel good though. It's not like a super crazy tight. Shoe that's been on my radar for a very long time, and I gotta say I do not regret picking these up. These are amazing. So let me know what you all think of these bad boys in the comment section down below. Do you have them? Did you pick them up? Do you remember them? But yeah, thank you for coming out to this one, and I'll see you for the next one.